Hello, Aria. I'm going to ask you 25 questions about your favorite things.
Okay.
Please do your best to answer the questions. Let's get started. What's your favorite color?
Yellow.
What's your favorite food?
Cucumber.
What's your favorite animal?
Hyenas.
What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite book?
Diary of a Wimpy.
What's your favorite movie?
Nothing.
What's your favorite computer game?
Nothing.
What's your favorite toy?
I don't know.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Touch slimes.
What's your favorite type of snack?
Chips.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
Cake.
What's your favorite type of weather?
Sunny.
What's your favorite season?
Snowy.
What's your favorite holiday?
No, there's nothing.
What's your favorite kind of juice?
Orange juice.
What's your favorite type of candy?
Lollipop.
What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Shooting star.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mango.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Cucumber.
What's your favorite thing to do with your dad?
Watch TikTok.
What's your favorite thing to do with your mom?
Snuggle.
Who's your favorite family member?
What's a family member?
Like your mom, your dad, your brother, your grandmother. Who's your favorite?
Grandpa. He's rich.
What's your favorite thing about school?
Nothing.
What's your favorite thing to do outside?
Play with my friends.
Who's your favorite superhero?
Wonder Woman.
Thank you so much for answering my questions.